Well, guys, here we are, all settled. We brought our RV here. We put our Starlink. We have a generator in the back. We have some propane hooked up, so we have a nice heater now with the new RV. A little fireplace that kept us warm last night. This is where we're going to be warming up our water at night to shower. Little dining table here to put our little stuff. Now the real problems are in here. As you know, we had a bunch of problems with our roof before. We got a new guy to replace the roof, but it turns out it's a lot worse. There's water coming in everywhere down the middle. We have our spa room over here. It's probably hard to see. It's a little pool in here.